Ladies and gentlemen, I am beyond excited to hear that there is a new single by Reflections. Hello. I already listened to their recent album and the albums before that, except for their very first album. I still need to react to those songs, but besides from that, super excited. Let's have a good time. And I also deeply appreciate your time for being here. So thank you. Let's have a good one. Oh my god. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. They're bringing it back. Or a breakdown? What's gonna happen? What's going on with the beat, the tempo? What's happening? Completely dropped it right there.
Why did you not listen? Why is a prison? This could be so different as in life is just a fiction. There is to be another way for me to find my peace without poison in my veins. I've been alone, cause I will clean. Could find my own addiction to being alone. I'm tired of this life. Baby boys with everything. Sometimes it's hard to really speak. You were my light. Now I only see you when I sleep.
That's it. Oh. It's just I just wanted one more breakdown. I just needed just one more, even just for a few seconds. I just needed one more. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god. I love Reflections. They are one of my favorite bands. So happy that they returned. I believe last year, you know, the song From Nothing, Samsara, Help, Isolation, you name it. One of my favorite albums too. This right here, I loved the effects that was happening throughout the song. Loved the composition. Still sounds the same from their recent work. And honestly, that's it. I loved it. It's a complete banger. Has some really cool moments in the song as well. And ladies and gentlemen, I'll leave it at that. This made my day. Reflections, thank you for this beautiful constructed song. Thank you. Everyone, please let me know your thoughts on this song as well. I loved it. One of the best songs I've heard so far this year. One of the best. And again, I'll leave it at that. I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Oh my god.